Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to make you one of my favorite dishes. And it's not from a box, it's from scratch. Macaroni and cheese.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Macaroni and cheese is one of my favorites, okay? It's not from a box, even though I like the one from the box. I ain't gonna lie, it's quick, it's easy, it's fast. So is this, guys. This is probably easier than the box. There is no roux. We're gonna make it without a roux. I know a lot of people are like, oh, macaroni and cheese, I don't wanna make it from real cheese because I gotta make a roux. A roux scares everybody. Trust me, scares me too, you know? But I overcame it. But anyway, we're gonna use some real cheese, okay? So let me explain to you what I have here. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I got 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese. You know me, gotta be Philly, right? So this is 8 ounces of cheese. I did 4 ounces of New York sharp cheddar and 4 ounces of Munster because I'd like to show Munsters, okay? That's why I did the Munster, okay? But no, I grated a little more too, so you'll love it. You put a little extra, hey, look, nobody complains about extra cheese, okay? And then I got 1 pound, 16-ounce box or bag, whatever it comes in, of Elbows macaroni. But, see, I didn't use Elbow macaronis, I used these little guys, see? It gives it more, look, it's more, look at that, it's more of a curly Q, you know what I mean? So, we're gonna call these Curly Q macaroni and cheese. There you go, that's right. Curly Q macaroni and cheese. And 12 ounces of heavy cream. And now, let me tell you, bouillon powder, okay? What I did, I put some water in the pot, put some more oil in it, right? And I put 2 capfuls of powdered bouillon. I got this from another YouTuber. I hope I'm saying her name right. Danny Ross or Danny Rose? Danny Rose, that's it. D-A-N-N-I-R-O-S-E. Let me tell you, she cracks me up. She's like a girl version of the Meatball, you know what I mean? But she's a Southern girl. Forget about it, right? She's a Southern girl. I'm a big mouth Italian, right? But she's crazy. She said a lot of things that I say. Leave no cheese behind. Da da boop, bada beep. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, hey look, check her out. I'm telling you, that's where I got this from. You cook the macaronis in the bouillon. It gives it a better taste, you know. So anyway, that's all you're going to need. Oh, and a pot to cook the macaroni and cheese in. So we're going to move on to the other side of the counter by the stove because all this is going to be done on the stove. So we're going to move to the other side of the counter and we're going to get cooking. Stay tuned. Welcome to the side of the kitchen, eh? Always on the other side. Ain't on this side. It's been a while, huh, guys? So anyway, we got our seasonings, we got everything we need. We got our butter, we got our cream cheese, we got our macaronis, our cheese, and our heavy cream, okay? So get yourself a rubber spatsy spat. See, I like this one because it's kind of like a spoon spat, you know what I mean? A spoon spat, hey, I like that. If that's not a word, I just invented a word, all right? So you want to put your burner on like a low to medium kind of flame because you don't want to burn the butter and so on, you know? Because nobody likes burnt butter or some burnt milk. Anyway, this is half and half, but you get the drift, right? We're going to let that heat up. While that's heating up, we're going to get our butter. We're going to melt our butter first. We're going to throw our butter in there. Okay? So now we're going to just melt that butter down. So now the butter's just about melted. Okay, it's going to start getting a little hot. So you grab your seasonings, dump your seasonings in. Mixy here. Mixy. Ooh, smell the seasonings. I'm already getting excited, huh? Put your creamy cheese in there. You're gonna break your cream cheese up and you want it really nice and incorporated with the butter and the seasonings before you add your milk in. Now you can't use milk, okay? You can use, with this recipe, if you don't want to use heavy cream, you can use half and half. But you cannot use milk, and if you want to use milk, you're going to have to make a roux. So I want to do this nice and easy without a roux because I know making a roux always used to intimidate me. So with this is intimidation-free macaroni and cheese, all right? Look at that. Cream cheese, cheddar cheese, Munster cheese, heavy cream. Oh, wait until you taste this one, huh? So if you want to get creative, right? You could throw chicken in it and some buffalo sauce, make a buffalo mac and cheese, throw some bacon in it. All right, see how the cheese is starting to bubble up? The cream cheese? We're going to pour in our heavy cream. 12 ounces, guys. So you want to get a whisk, you whisk it together, you whisk it a Merry Christmas, right? But you want to get this nice and smooth. I might get myself a whisk. You know what? I'm going to take the whisk out because I still got a little lumps. I want it smooth, okay? So I'm going to whiskey just to get it smoothened out. It's alright, but you know, I get paranoid. I want it to be beautiful, huh? So now we got it all nice and smooth, right? I'm just going to let it heat up. But keep moving it around with the rubber spat because you don't want that milk to burn on the bottom. That milk, the heavy cream, you know what I'm talking about. Tomato, hey, as long as you know what I'm saying, huh? Oh yeah, it's getting hot and thickening up. Pop, pop, pop. You see the pop, 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 son? Pop, 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 pop. Let's throw some cheese in. Don't throw all your cheese in, guys. A little at a time. A little bit. Just go ahead and stir in the rest of that cheese, guys. A little bit at a time, eh? Oh man, look at this. I can't do it no more. This is amazing. Amazing. It's not all that cheese, I should have put both 8-ounce blocks in there. That's how much I like cheese, you know. Shh, more cheese. I had to do it. So, look. You want to do it, you do it. You know what I'm saying? I love cheese, so I do it. It's my world, right? It's your world? Well, it's my world too, so I'm going to do what I got to do. So what I'm going to do, it's already hot enough. We don't need more fire under there. The rest of that, oh man. It starts throwing in our Mackies. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh man, look at that, Max. Oh God, yeah. Nothing but the love. Cheese love. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on. You can't tell me that's not going to be good. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Ah, forget about it. I'm going to let that sit a minute, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh. Anybody see this? Look, it's gonna drop off. Look at that cheese. Oh! And anybody see that? Oh, let me get some. Oh, so cheesy. Look at that. Oh my God, this is like love in a bowl. Guys, again, you could put some cayenne pepper in it. I put some garlic. I put some paprika, probably for the color. That's what everybody says. Put some paprika in for the color. Here's your question. Is paprika actually have any taste? Does anybody know? Because to me, I don't think so. Give us the meatball test. Let's see. Look at this. I need a bigger bowl. Just like Jaws, right? Just like Jaws, they need a bigger bowl. Well, I need a bigger bowl. You know, I'll get a bigger bowl too. You know what I mean? Bigger belly, bigger bowl. I mean, everybody goes home a winner, you know? So, guys, take another last look at this. Let me tell you. There ain't nothing. There's no roux. It's all easy, guys. You use heavy cream. You use cream cheese. And you use your cheese you want. I like New York sharp cheddar and Munster, okay? Guys, if you want to put more cheese in it, you can put more cheese. I couldn't help myself how to put more cheese, you know what I'm saying? The cheddar, the better, you know? The more cheddar, the more better, right? Is that what they say? Something like that? Guys, let me tell you guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification button to get notified every Wednesday when I put out a new video. We'll say about 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7:30, depending how the day goes. Oh, the day goes, I ain't talking about you. But anyway, follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on TikTok, guys. Let me tell you, I got hidden gems coming out at you guys. You're gonna love it. November 19th, special event coming at you guys. Also, my big surprise coming at you guys. Let me tell you, don't forget, PhillyRockRadio.com. That's where everything from the forefathers to the band mothers arrive. And let me tell you guys, if you want to cook, you gotta cook with the Philly Rock Radio. I'm gonna go eat this, and I'm gonna tell you what. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.